When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to, it's kind of bright. Hold on, let me lower this down a little bit. Today we're going to clean out my AC in my room, and we are also going to probably change out the blade on my lawnmower, and then I'll sharpen the other one later. But yeah, we're gonna do that today, so stay tuned. Put on the hose. You're my cameraman today, right, boy? Meet my cameraman, John Evan, my little cameraman today. Right, boy? Take this sucker out, right, boy?
Yes. I see you. Yes. I see everything. Drill.
Drill. Oh, yeah.
It blows air.
I'll take it right there.
That blows air. That's why it has an air fan. So that's why I call it air conditioner. Got it.
It's dirty, right?
Yes.
Super dirty. Look at that stuff. Nasty. That goo.
Mama just close the door.
So we're just gonna rinse the crap out of it.
The fan's right there.
It's pretty dirty.
So,
Alright, let's rinse it out, boy.
yeah.
Move this plug out of the way. Yeah, boy.
I see no fan.
It gets done right here
The fan's not there.
in the shade.
That's ugly.
Nasty, right?
Yeah. There's a lot of grass under it. There's a lot of cut grass under it.
Yep, let's look at the blades, right?
Yes.
See how ugly they are.
Yes. How ugly is it?
Blades are horrible.
Come on.
You can just tell, look at that.
Blades are horrible, right?
Mm-hmm. I don't even think I can sharpen them.
How are you sharpening them?
They're nasty.
Under it,
So I just gotta take off this bolt right here.
under it is a... And
And I
wait,
got the new blade right here.
so it can cut hard.
It's a lot better, everyone.
Yes, so it can cut hard. So it can cut hard like a boom, boom, boom.
How?
Like boom and boom and boom.
I know.
So it can cut hard like that, so it can cut grass, right? So the grass can come off.
That's crazy, right?
Yes, it starts like boom and boom, and it makes the sound like it makes the sound on.
I know.
For your lawnmower is red, and this thing.
Well, let me see your shirt. Smack down and snack down. That's cool, right?
Yes, it's the burger and the taco shirt.
I know, it's so cool.
Yeah, but when you turn on your lawnmower, the blade starts spinning fast and hard.
I don't like that. Right?
Yeah, and
When
then
they cut the grass.
yes, it spins fast like this, like boom, boom.
I know.
And yes, it's,
Okay, let's do this, okay?
yes, it can.
Let me go get my tools real quick. Hold on. So let me get my tools ready.
Set. Go, right? Ah, your hat's on. But it says no touching inside. It's not cut your hand.
So,
Oh, that's no touching. Right?
alright guys, so I'm gonna replace this blade. Got my new blade right here. I'm gonna open it up real quick. Before you ever do this, just make sure that you unplug your spark plug. I mean, it probably won't happen, but you never know. Your lawnmower might turn on you and chop your fingers off. So that keeps it from ever turning on while you're working on it. So whenever you're gonna grab the blade, make sure you put on gloves. Even though it may not be sharp anymore, always put gloves so you can hold on to it, you know. So, okay, let's see. 5/8.
So it doesn't cut.
5/8, nice and snug.
We need gloves so it doesn't cut ourselves, right?
Yeah. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Actually, need to put on the other one. Here. That one, okay. I'll put this one.
I can wear this one.
Yeah.
But this one's not. When you touch it with this hand, it's soft. It's not cut you, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna cut yourself like that.
This one's never been taken off. This is my first time.
The sharp blade, so sharp. Camera, there's a sharp blade.
Sharp blade, yeah, sharp blade.
Yeah, sharp blade, sharp. I feel your ice cream like
So I'll make sure you put it the right way. I'm just gonna look at the way this one was, and that's the way it was, so that's the way I'm gonna put it. Just gonna spin and not hit anything. So now I need to rinse this off right now. Just stab
Thank
it.
you, they're all on.
Okay, I'll stab it down here.
I can. They can move in the glove.
Big old gloves, bigger than you.
Yeah, but they can move in the glove.
I don't know. Let's flip it down and make a mess.
Other grasses on the back. And nasty stuff coming out and making a mess. Grass and see it. And see does it work and off.
Yeah. What a mess. I can come blow it off right now. Right here, look.
Okay. What happened? What happened? Plug in a little bit. Ah, wait, the paper.
Alright. I need to let it cool down, I guess.
Cause he's all sweaty. What happened?
Turn on a little bit. Can you see it in the camera? good. Works pretty good, right?
Yes, it got the line. You see it?
Yeah. Okay, now let's go fix the, let's go put the air condition back, right? So it won't be hot.
Yeah,
Watch out, boy. Cameraman.
There's still a lot of water in here. Now I just run it on.
Okay.
I'm not popping it. I'm just...
Okay, there's still a little bit of water. It drains in here. I'm gonna sit on top of this one. This one. Put it right there on the bed. Yep. Oh,
You recording hot, baby?
look, I can't see. Can you see in there? You can see? She blows much better now, man. Way better.
my bed.
Way better, right, boy?
Yes.
You sweaty little man.
Yes, it's right better.
It's better now, right?
Yes. It's so clean inside.
All right.
But the front was gone because it was spinning.
It's crazy. What are you telling? You gotta tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe,
Oh, subscribe.
subscribe,
Subscribe.
subscribe,
Yeah, like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Peace.
Peace.
Come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on, even